The reason I wrote the book Fake is so you could understand what is happening along this line here. So hopefully you can protect yourself when the next crash comes. And it's coming. What I'm going to say will probably upset most people, as I always do, because it goes against everything you've been taught, like saving money and all those other things. My concern is, the old guys like me are sitting there with their retirement plans, which are broke, and if and when this baby comes down, my generation is toast. The way out is through real financial education, not that fake financial education, which is go to school, get a job, work hard, save money, get out of debt, and invest for the long term in the stock market. The good news is this: in the final chapter of Fake, everybody can do something. I don't care where you are, rich or poor, everybody can do something.